Hi, this is Mr. V, and in this video we're going to start expanding binomials. And in this video we're going to use the distribution method. So binomials are factors that have two components added up. And you can see here we've got brackets with two factors, so they're binomial, and I've got two of them multiplied by each other. How can we expand that bracket? Now there's a few different methods, but in this video we're going to cover the most foundational one, I suppose. It may not be the easiest, but it's using the method we already know, which is the distributive law. So the way we're going to do this is we're going to distribute the first bracket into the second bracket. So I'm going to multiply this entire bracket, 2x to the power of 3, into x and into 2. So you're going to turn this into 2x plus 3 brackets x plus 2x plus 3 2. The little invisible multiply sign in between. Great, it just looks worse. Well, that's true, but we can now distribute again. Let's start with this bracket here. So we can distribute x into 3 and into 2x to get 2x squared plus 3x plus, and I can expand this bracket out, 2 times 3 and 2 times 2x. 2 times 2x is 4x plus 2 times 3 is 6. Great, now there's no more brackets. Can we make this any better? Well, yes we can. In this case we can simplify, so our last step is to simplify if we can. And I can tell that I've got a couple of like terms. I've got 3x and 4x, and they're like terms. So I can simplify this by combining them. 3 plus 4 is 7x. Now this expression is much better to work with than this expression that has all of these brackets in it. Now I want to show you too what happens when we have some negatives involved. So when we have some negatives involved, we still distribute, we still expand out in the same way, but we have some negatives to deal with. So I can expand this out by multiplying my first bracket into both of my terms, and this time, because I can write these in any order, I'm going to put these loose terms out to the front. So that's this bracket multiplied by 3x. And now, because I have a minus 4, this is going to be subtract 4 times this bracket, 2x minus 3. Okay, good. Same as we did before, just we have a minus sign. That's okay. 3x times 2x, 3x times 2x, you know, let's go straight there. 3x times 2x, or 3 times 2 is 6, x squared, and 3x times by minus 3 is going to be minus 9x. Okay, so you can be careful with those minus signs. Over here, the minus sign goes with the 4, so we're going to have minus 4 times 2x, which is minus 8x, and we have minus 4 times minus 3, which is going to be 12, and minus times minus is positive. I can simplify, so let's do that. 6x squared minus 9x minus 8x, or minus 9 minus 8 is minus 17x plus 12. So very similar, but we got to be careful of those negative signs wherever they may appear. And that is how I can expand a binomial expression using the distributive method.